Good morning, students. Welcome back. Myself, Jyoti Saroj, your mathematics teacher. So, student, as you know, we had started with the chapter statistic, and we had completed with practice set 54 of this chapter. So, in this module, we will cover practice set 55. So, let's begin. Hello students, so we are going to start with practice set 55. So here I want you to open page number 99 of your textbook. So as you can see in your textbook, first sum, the height of 30 children in a class is given in centimeters. Draw up a frequency table of this data. Student, what we are going to do here is to draw a frequency table. Okay, so these are the data which is given in this question, and what you are going to do, you are going to make a frequency table. So here this is frequency table. Okay, what will come here? Height. Why height? Because it is already mentioned in the question. Height is given. Yes or no? Height is given. So first I am going to do the column of height. Second column will be of telemark. Student, this telemarks is similar to all the questions. If you are preparing a frequency table, then you are going to make a column, second column of telemarks. Then third column will be children. Why children? Because the height of 30 children in a class is given in centimeter. Children. Okay. So here it is children. Third. And then last will be total. Now see, these are the datas which I got from this question. So as you can see, 131, then 135, 140, 138, 32, 33, 35, 33 means some of the numbers are repeated. Yes or no? From 35, as you can see here, 35, 35, 33, 33. Few numbers are repeated. Okay. First let us see what you are going to see. First see that till what number is mentioned here. Okay, so minimum is 130, 131 and maximum is 140 है ना. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, 131 से लेके 140 के बीच के ही सारे नंबर यहाँ पे मेंशन. तो आप क्या लिखोगे यहाँ पर, 131, 132, 133, 130 मतलब 131 से लेकर पूरा 140 तक मेंशन दिस numbers. Okay, now what we will do, we will see that 131 is how many times here mentioned in this question. So 131 one time, then 2 times. See, as you can see here is also 131 2 times, then 3 times 131. Okay, so 131 is for 3 times. So your 3 lines student, 1 2 3. Okay, and here number will be 3. Okay, कितने लाइन ड्रॉ करना है, 1 2 3. वाई? क्योंकि 131 कितने टाइम्स आया, 3 टाइम्स, और यहाँ पे कितना, जितना टोटल है उतना लिखना है, 3. नाउ वी विल चेक 132. 1, then 2, 3, 3 times. Same. So 1 2 3. Here will be 3. Now 133. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times है ना. So student, as you can see, 1 2 3 4 है ना, 4 लाइन आ गया ना, तो यू आर गोइंग टू पुट अ क्रॉस, तो ये 5 हो गया, ठीक है। 6 हुआ तो एक और लाइन खींचना है, 7 हुआ तो एक लाइन और, 8 हुआ तो एक और, 9 हुआ तो एक और, ये 4 लाइन है, फिर एक लाइन ड्रॉ करना है, मतलब 4 से ज़्यादा एक्सीड नहीं करना है। अगर 4 हो गया तो दिस लाइन यू आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ, ठीक है। तो ये 1 2 3 4 और ये 5, तो here will be 5, okay. So 134, as you can see, 134, 1 2 3, 3 times, 1 2 3, then 135 is 3 times, 1 2 3, I already counted, so I am writing directly 1 2 3. 136 is 2 times, 1 2. 137 is 2 times, 1 2. 138 is 1 time. 139 is 3 times, 1 2 3. Now 140 we will check, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 times student. So as you can see 1 2 3 4, फिर एक क्रॉस 5, अंडरस्टूड। अब ये नंबर लिख दो नंबर्स में, 3 3 2 2 1, then 3, then 5, okay. Now student, total we will see, okay. This totaling we will do, 3 plus 3 6, 11 14 17 19 21 22 25 and then 30, okay. This is 5, huh? So total will be 30. What is that set? This much only. I hope you understood this. Now see second question. In a certain colony there are 50 families. The number of people in every family is given below. Draw up the frequency table. So as you can see what I told you, see the minimum, which number is minimum. So here 1 is smallest, minimum number, okay, smallest. Then see the biggest number. So biggest number will be 5, okay. So I'll draw the table first, then people I'll write till 5, 1 2 3 4 5, because smallest I saw is 1 and biggest is 5, okay. Now let us see 1 came how many times, 1 2 times. See first again, 1 2, okay. So here 1 2, here also will be 2, then 2, sorry, as you can see here 1 is only one time, only this, only one time, okay. So here will be only 1 and here also will be 1, okay. Now see 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, how many times, 12 times. So 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, okay. Now see 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 14 15 16, okay, 16 times. So as you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now 4 you can see fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now last one is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now just add this. 7 plus 3, 10, 16, 17, 18, 19. So here 9, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is total is 50. Okay, so as you can see, we have done this first and second sum. Student, you are going to do first, second, third and fourth entire this practice set into your maths notebook. If you have any doubt, you can ask me this in the group.
Completed with this chapter. I hope you all understood this chapter. So student, we had completed with this chapter. I hope you all understood this chapter. Write this chapter with neat and clean handwriting into your mathematics textbook. Till then student, take care. Thank you.